So in this example, we have a little graph showing us rooftop solar panel installations in 5 cities. So the question here, so it says the number of rooftops with solar panel installations in 5 cities is shown in the graph above, and it says if the total number of installations is 20,500, we want to know what's an appropriate label for the vertical axis of the graph, right? There's no vertical, we don't know, we've got 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. And we want to know, should this be the number of installations in tens, in hundreds, in thousands, or in tens of thousands? So there's really not a lot of work to do in this one. It's just, just trying to make sense out of this graph. So, well, okay, let's kind of go through the choices. If it was in tens, that means, city A, it says, it goes up to a height of 9. So if this was in 10, that means in city A that there were only 90 solar panels installed there. 50 in city B, 60 in city C, 40 in city D, and then about 35 in city E. Well, if you add up 90 and 50 and 60 and 50 and 35, you're not going to get 27,500. So to have that unit in tens definitely doesn't make sense. The same thing for hundreds, because if you add 900 plus 500 plus 600 plus 400 plus 350, again, you're not going to get 27,500. It looks like to me answer choice C is definitely the correct answer. You have the number of installations in thousands. Well, okay, so again, that would mean if we use the number of installations in thousands, that would mean that there's 9,000 in city A, 5,000 in city B, 6,000 in city C, 4,000 in city D, and 3.5 thousand or 3,500 were installed in city E, and that would add up to 27,500. So definitely looks like answer choice C is the correct answer here. Likewise, answer choice D doesn't make sense. If it's in tens of thousands, that would mean that in city A alone that there were 90,000 solar panels installed, which is clearly higher than the total number. So, okay, so again, this is just interpreting and just making sense out of, what units should go on this vertical axis. But definitely looks like that the number of installations, it should be the number of installations in thousands.